Looking for creative ways to spice up your home this Christmas with unique decorations? Let's explore the wonderful world of DIY Christmas decor using everyday household items. It's cost-effective, sustainable, and so much fun. Stay tuned to discover some creative decoration ideas that you can easily implement this Christmas. Ever thought of transforming your old CDs into sparkling Christmas ornaments? Well, here's your chance to give those dusty discs a new lease on life. First things first, gather your materials. You'll need some old CDs, a pair of scissors, glue, and a few ribbons. Now let the magic begin. Start by cutting your CDs into small, shiny pieces. Think of them as little mirrors reflecting the twinkling Christmas lights. The next step is to glue these pieces onto a plain bauble, covering all its surface in a mosaic of shimmering colors. Remember, there's no such thing as too much sparkle during the festive season. Now, to add the finishing touch, tie a ribbon around the top of your newly crafted ornament. This little loop will allow it to hang proudly on your Christmas tree. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way of turning your old CDs into eye-catching Christmas ornaments. How about turning your old book into a festive Christmas wreath? Picture this, your favorite novel, now retired from countless readings, getting a second life as a charming holiday decoration. Let's breathe new life into those well-loved pages together. First things first, assemble your crafting squad. An old book, scissors, glue, ribbon, and a wreath base. This base could be a simple foam or wire circle, whatever suits your fancy. Now, let's get to work. Begin by carefully tearing out the pages of your book. Fold each page into a cone shape and secure it with a dab of glue. Repeat this step until you have a hearty pile of paper cones. Next, arrange your cones on the wreath base. Start from the outer edge, securing each cone with glue until the entire base is covered. Finish off your masterpiece by tying a bow with your ribbon and attaching it to the top of your wreath. With a little creativity, your old book has now become a unique Christmas wreath. So, have you found your next Christmas decoration project? We've journeyed through a winter wonderland of creative ideas, exploring how everyday objects around your house can transform into unique and festive decorations. From turning old ornaments into dazzling tree adornments, to crafting a vintage-inspired wreath from the pages of an unused book, each idea we've shared is not only cost-effective, but also a fun activity for all to enjoy. These projects are a testament to the magic of Christmas, reminding us that the holiday spirit isn't bought, it's created. It's about transforming the ordinary into extraordinary, with a sprinkle of creativity and a dash of holiday cheer. Remember, the best decorations are the ones that bring joy and a sense of accomplishment, so get creative and have a wonderful Christmas.